In a reimagined America under the iron grip of a Trump-Musk dictatorship, where control is absolute and resources are scarce, DIY culture emerges as a beacon of hope and resilience. Imagine a world where the ability to create, repair, and innovate with limited resources becomes not just a skill, but a necessity for survival. From crafting rudimentary tools to hacking technology, the DIY ethos empowers individuals to reclaim autonomy in a society striving to suppress it. Picture yourself in a makeshift workshop, surrounded by salvaged materials, each piece a potential lifeline. Here, creativity becomes the mother of invention, as you fashion solar chargers from discarded electronics, or build water filtration systems from common household items. In this speculative future, bartering homemade goods and skills forms the backbone of a new economy, fostering community resilience. As technology becomes both adversary and ally, mastering the art of DIY equips you to adapt swiftly, turning obstacles into opportunities. Disclaimer: this series is a work of speculative fiction and is meant for entertainment and thought-provoking discussion only. Join us every day as we unravel the complexities of a potential future, encouraging dialogue on power, technology, and survival. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Prepare yourself for a journey into a world where the boundaries of reality and dystopia blur. Are you ready to survive?